Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food unboxing for the month of November. And the card says, I'm thankful for, and you could fill in the blank. And let's get into it. So the first thing I'm pulling out is turmeric, vanilla, and cinnamon tea. I don't know if there's more than one in here, but I have had this brand before, and it was a blueberry matcha, I think, tea. It was pretty good. So that's an interesting little sample. We typically don't get drink stuff in here, so happy to have that. We also have Emily's Daily Nuts and Fruit. It's a little trail mix. It has roasted salted almonds, cashews, raisins, cranberries, and cinnamon apple pieces. Sounds good. This is what my son always looks forward to, any kind of treats they put in there. So these are mini cookie stashes shaped like mustaches, and these are chocolate chip. Very cute. It's a nice little snack size. I'll probably throw in his lunch for him. And another thing, Welch's Fruit Rolls. So it's basically like a fruit roll-up, strawberry flavor. I used to love those as a kid. Also have by Sunripe Fruit to Go. This is apple wild berry. So basically a fruit strip instead of being rolled up all thin. It's a little bit thicker. I've had those before. They're pretty good. Almond rice pops with cranberries. That's a flavor I have not tried, I don't believe. But these do come in various different flavors. I know I've had blueberry. Those are really good. And the last item, pop chips. This is crazy hot flavored, which sound really good. The whole bag's only 90 calories. And then typically there's some advertisements, sometimes coupons at the bottom. So we'll see 10% off. And an advertisement for the tea. Yeah, that's the one I had before, the blueberry one. Very cool. And another promo code. So if you guys would like to sign up, I will put my link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.